Hey folks, Pop LaCork here. 2 days ago, I uploaded a video about new laws in Maryland going into effect on June 1 of this year. Each of the laws that are in that announcement have some impact to the firearms industry. One of the key subjects of those laws was the notion of the firearms industry being responsible for public nuisance. In fact, I wasn't completely sure what that meant. I did some research on DuckDuckGo, just putting in the keywords gun industry nuisance laws, and we can see that all over they're shutting down the industry that supports our rights. New public nuisance claims are targeting gun companies. Public nuisance liability and the irrelevance of the Second Amendment. Buffalo sues gun makers Smith and Wesson and others. And that article goes on to talk about nuisance claims. State laws target gun industry's liability shield, again about nuisance claims, and it goes on and on and on. And these things are passed when we're not looking. Folks, we need to step up and talk to our legislators. Really appreciate it if you can like, share, and most of all, subscribe to my channel. I try to bring interesting, entertaining, and important information out to public. Stay tuned. Apparently, everyone who has an email address with Maryland State Police gets updates when there are changes in the firearms laws. And that's what this is about. So this is dated from MSP, dated May 2nd. This has to do with firearms laws that go into effect on June 1, 2024. So I'm going to read through this quickly. In accordance with public safety article, blah, 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 Maryland Department of State Police providing following summary of each new law change. So I suggest if you suspect any of these affect you, then you should dig more deeply on your own. So, regulated firearms, Maryland Judiciary reporting requirements. The bill repeals the requirement for the Maryland State Commission on Criminal Sentencing Policy to report to the Governor and General Assembly by October 1, 2024, and each October thereafter on the number of charges, convictions, and sentences for violations of 4-203 of the criminal law. So it's really just a reporting change. Bill takes effect June 1. Civil actions, public nuisances, firearm industry members, a Gun Industry Accountability Act of 2024. This bill prohibits a firearm industry member from knowingly creating, maintaining, or contributing to harm to the public through the sale, manufacture, distribution, importation, or marketing of a firearm related product by engaging in conduct that is unlawful or unreasonable under the totality of the circumstances. He establishes that a violation of these provisions is a public nuisance. In addition, the bill authorizes the Attorney General, a county attorney, or the Baltimore City Solicitor to bring an action against a firearm industry member for a public nuisance caused by a violation of the bill's provisions as specified. The bill also requires the Attorney General, in consultation with the Department of State Police, to conduct a specified study related to firearm trace request and report its recommendations and findings to the General Assembly.